Good morning children. Welcome to MBM classes. Today let us see one extra question of class 9 chapter triangles, which states that ABC is a triangle in which angle B is equal to 2 times angle C. Now this is ABC is a triangle. Here this angle B is given as 2 times angle C. D is a point on BC. Here D is a point on BC such that AD bisects angle BAC, and also it is given AB is equal to CD. You have to prove that angle BAC is equal to 72 degree. So first let us write what is given. What is given? Angle B is equal to 2 times angle C. So let us name this angle C as Y. So angle B will be equal to 2Y. Also it is given AB is equal to CD. To prove, we have to prove angle BAC is equal to 72 degree. And let us do a small construction. That is, draw BP, the angle bisector of angle ABC. Draw BP, the bisector of angle B. So these two angles becomes Y and Y. Hope you understood what is given in the question. Triangle ABC is given where angle B is 2 times angle C, and also D is any point on BC such that AD, when you are going to join, it becomes the angle bisector of, that is angle AB, angle A, that is angle BAC. Now you have to prove angle BAC is equal to 72 degree. So we are going to do a small construction by drawing BP, the angle bisector of angle B. So let us start the proof now. So in the proof we can first write angle B is equal to 2Y and angle C is equal to Y, and this angle BAD and angle DAC will be equal to X. Now let us do the problem in different steps. Now moving on to step 1. Now you look at the triangle BPC. In this triangle BPC, you are able to see these two angles equal, that is we are named it as Y and Y. So this triangle becomes an isosceles triangle. In this triangle, since these two angles are equal, we can say BP is equal to PC. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So in step 1 we will write, in triangle BPC, angle PBC is equal to angle PCB is equal to Y. Therefore, we can say BP is equal to PC. In bracket you can write sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So you can mark it here also. Now you have proved that BP is equal to PC. Step 2. Now let us take the triangle ABP and DCP. In triangle ABP and triangle DCP, we can find 3 conditions. First condition, you can say AB is equal to DC. AB is equal to DC. It is given. Second, you can see these two angles are equal. So I can write angle ABP. Angle ABP is equal to angle PCD is equal to Y. Given. Third condition, just now you have proved BP is equal to PC. BP is equal to PC, proved above. Therefore, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle DCP by CPCT. You can say angle BAP is equal to angle CDP and AP is equal to DP. So these two you underline. By CPCT we are proving angle BAP. You can see in the figure, this is the angle BAP. This angle BAP, that is this whole angle BAP is 2x, is equal to angle CDP. These two angles we have proved by CPCT as equal over here. These two angles we have proved equal over here, and also we have proved that we can say that AP is equal to DP. Again these two sides we have proved. AP is equal to DP. So hope you understood now. First step 1. In step 1, since these two angles are equal, I am saying BP is equal to CP. Angle sides opposite to equal angles are equal. After that I am going to write the triangle ABP and CDP. In these two triangles, first condition AB is equal to DC given. Second condition, you can see the angle over here. Here it is Y. Here also it is equal to Y. It is also given. Third condition, just now we approved BP is equal to C. BP is equal to DP. Just now we approved over here BP is equal to PC. Sorry, BP is equal to CP. Just now we approved. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by SAS. Can say that these two triangles are congruent by SAS, and by CPCT I can say that this angle BAP is equal to angle PDC. Also we can say AP is equal to DP by CPCT. So now let us move on to step 3. Now moving on to step 3. So just now we approved angle PDC is equal to 2x, and also you said AP is equal to DP. So I can say mark this, I can say this angle as x over here. So angle DAP is equal to angle ADP is equal to x. Now in triangle ABD, you consider this triangle ABD. What is the exterior angle of this triangle? Angle ADC is equal to interior opposite angles, that is angle ABD plus angle BAD. Now what is angle ADC? Angle ADC is nothing but x plus 2x. And what is angle ABD? Angle ABD is 2y. And what is angle BAD? BAD is equal to x. So by rearranging you can say x plus 2x minus x is equal to 2y. So 2x is equal to 2y, or I can say x is equal to y. So in step 3 we have proved that angle x is equal to angle y. Now moving on to step 4. Just you proved in the previous step x is equal to y. So now wherever you find x, we can replace it by y, or y can be replaced it by x. So in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So I am going to replace all angles by x. What is angle A? Angle A is 2x. What is angle B? Angle B is, again I can write it as 2x. And what is angle C? Angle C also I am going to write it as x is equal to 180 degree, or 5x is equal to 180 degree, or x is equal to 180 divided by 5, which is equal to 36 degree. But I have to find the angle BAC. Now what is angle BAC? Angle BAC is equal to 2x, which is nothing but 2 into 36 degree, which is equal to 72 degree. So you do this sum stepwise, slowly you can get the answer very easily.